Hello everyone. Today we'll be discussing the questions carrying 6 marks for the chapter The Enemy. So the first question is, Dr. Sadao was compelled by his duty as a doctor to help the enemy soldier. What made Hannah, his wife, sympathize with him in the face of open defiance from the domestic staff? So this question is basically asking us that Dr. Sadao was, forced to help this enemy soldier because he was a doctor. So it was his profession to help a wounded man. But what made Hannah, his wife, a person from a non-medical background, sympathize with that soldier and help him even when her domestic staff declined to help her? In Japan, there is a tradition, and especially in Hannah and Sadao's house, domestic help were of a very great value for them, and they were reliant on them. So they were very much reliant. The house help was very much reliant. Their defiance on this incident was a major problem for Sadao and Hannah. So, despite this problem, what made Hannah sympathize with this enemy soldier? This is what this question is asking us. This is an overall outline of the chapter. This is an overall ideal that how you can be a good human and help an enemy, help even an enemy. This is all you have to discuss in this question. Hannah embodies the concept of the perfect companion who joins hands with her husband and renders all the possible help to him to save the American soldier. That is true. That is true in every sense. She joins hands with her husband and she provides all the possible help to him to save the American soldier. So when her servants desert her, she easily steps into their place and discharges the duties of a maid and a governess most gracefully. In spite of all the tension and anxiety, she displays a great sense of efficiency and she knows how to conduct herself without losing her cool. What is the meaning of losing her cool? Losing her cool is losing her calmness and losing her control of herself. She is a cooperative and understanding wife who renders all possible help to her husband to ensure that the operation is a success. The qualities of her goodness of heart and head enable her to take a humane view about the wounded soldier even though he is an American. She plays her role of a dutiful wife and the mistress of the house with a lot of dignity, and it was due to her sympathy and cooperation that Dr. Sadao was able to save the dying enemy soldier. So these are all the important points that you have to cover in this specific question. You can also talk about the overall theme of the chapter in the starting of the question. That is up to you. After gain 6 marks, you have to discuss any 3 to 4 points in a 6 marks questions. Plus, you have to be under the word limit. Draw a character sketch of the old general in the lesson, The Enemy. So these questions of character sketches, these are the most important ones. In a sense, they are asking you the essence of the story. So this is a very important question from that part. In this type of question, firstly you have to discuss about that specific character, and then secondly you also have to talk about the story, the theme, the underlying theme of the story. वैसे तो हर क्वेश्चन में we discuss about the underlying theme of the story a little bit in 3 to 4 lines, but especially in questions like character sketches, I advise you to do so because it's a 6 marks question and you have the opportunity to write more. You should do it. It gives a sense to the reader that yes, you know everything about the chapter, including the main characteristics of this specific character of the story. So the old general was a man whose personal considerations overweighted all the other considerations, the considerations of his country and the considerations of his soldiers. Even though the Second World War was in progress, and a doctor of caliber of Dr. Sadao would have proved to be a blessing for the wounded soldiers. He was retained in Japan because he was indispensable to the general's health and well-being. This line basically means that Sadao was very important for general's health and well-being. His skills were very important for general's failing health. Despite knowing that the presence of the American soldier at Dr. Sadao's house, he refrains from sending his private assassins to kill the enemy soldier. He understands Sadao's importance for his own survival, so he doesn't want to take the chance in case the assassins accidentally harm Dr. Sadao or his wife. So this is also another reason why the general didn't send the assassins to Dr. Sadao's house, because he thinks that maybe they might harm Dr. Sadao or Hannah, which would be harmful for the general in turn. So this is also one of the reasons why he didn't send his private assassins to kill the American soldier given shelter at Dr. Sadao's house. So the general therefore comes across as a strange and selfish person who is actually too preoccupied with his own self. He being a general, his illness and his fear of death outweigh all his other considerations, even though towards his country. So this is basically, it tells us the following things about the general. The first one being he was very selfish. The second one being he was not a true patriot. The third one being he was not a man of true character, because somewhere in the story we come to know that he physically abused his wife. So this incident is narrated by Hannah when she thinks that when there are generals like this specific general who beat their wives so mercilessly. So what would they do to these prisoners of war? So this also tells us the character flaw of this general. And another important fact about general is that despite knowing about the presence of the American soldier at Dr. Sadao's house, he didn't send his private assassins just because of his private motives. He was so selfish and he was so preoccupied with his own self that he didn't help Sadao, who stayed back in the country to help him. This is the general character sketch of this negative character in this lesson. The next question is, how did Dr. Sadao rise above the narrow prejudices of race and country to help a human being in need? This is a very nice question, and it's true in every sense, because Dr. Sadao didn't care about any prejudices of race and country. He didn't think again and again that why am I helping an American soldier? He is my enemy, and even if he's critically wounded, he should be like the same. I should not help him. Once this thought came to his mind, but he shuffled these thoughts away and conducted a successful surgery of this soldier. This tells us that he rose above these narrow prejudices of race and country to help this human being in need. An American prisoner of war gets washed away to the Japanese Dr. Sadao's doorstep, that we know. So he being a doctor, he gives him priority to save the life of a dying man despite the ongoing war between America and Japan and the fact that all the Americans were considered to be their enemies. So being a doctor, Sadao's duty was to save a dying man. But saving an enemy, it would be the act of treachery. Treachery is not being true to your own country. But the doctor not only saved him from dying, but did not even hand him over to the police. So this was a major task that Sadao would have done the first time he would have saw an American soldier on his doorstep. He would have directly handed him over to the police. But he knew that if he handed him over to the police, he would be brutally beaten, he would be brutally tortured by the Japanese army. So this was the dilemma that he was facing. This was the problem that he was facing, whether he should give him shelter or whether he should hand him over to the police. If he gives him shelter, he would be in trouble. If he hands him over to the police, the soldier would be in trouble. He rose above this problem and he gave him all the help that he needed. So why did Sadao Hoki go to America? Narrate his experiences there. So we know that Sadao Hoki went to America to study medicine, to study surgery. He met his wife Hannah there, and he had found Hannah casually and by chance in an American professor's house. So they were very kind people and they were very anxious to help out foreign students. And a doctor had gone to professor's house most reluctantly, and there he had found Hannah. I had narrated in the previous videos also the fact that Sadao didn't want to go to the professor's house in the first place, but it got him lucky because he found Hannah there. He had not married Hannah heedlessly in America because he knew his father was a traditional and a conventional man and he would not agree to their marriage. So he returned to Japan at the age of 30 and as a full-fledged surgeon, and their marriage was arranged in a traditional Japanese way. So this is all Sadao went through in America. This was all about his life in America. Explain the reactions of the servants in Dr. Sadao's house when he decided to give shelter to an enemy in the house. So there are many kinds of reactions from the house help, though all in negative sense for Sadao. The servants, they were openly defiant. They were openly against this decision taken by Dr. Sadao. They did not even enter the American soldier's room. And they started talking differently about Sadao, that how he should not do that, how he is doing a wrong thing, and they should let that young man bleed and die. So he felt that the cook in Dr. Sadao's house, he felt that his master healed what the first gun and then the sea did, that would be avenged. So the cook basically meant by this line that the gun wanted the soldier to die, and the sea, which washed this soldier to Dr. Sadao's doorstep, that wanted him to die. And now Dr. Sadao is saving him. And the nature would avenge this act that Dr. Sadao is carrying out. This is a very deep statement made by the cook, which tells us that how deeply seated is this idea of prejudice, of caste and color in our minds. The cook was was contemptuous of the fact that their master was so proud of his skill to save the life that he saved any person's life, even though he was their enemy. Finally, all the servants left Dr. Sadao's house together. So Yumi refused to clean the enemy soldier. The old gardener, I'm really sorry, the statement made by the first the gun and then the sea did. This statement is made by the gardener, and the cook says the last statement. And the Yumi, their maid who took care of the children, she refused to clean the enemy soldier when Hannah told her to do so. So these are the reactions of the servants in Dr. Sadao's house when he decided to give shelter to an enemy in the house. Now, these are the two questions that you could practice for your own good, and these are very good value-based questions for you to practice. We have completed the discussion of the chapter. We have completed with most important 6 marks questions. So these are the questions which require your perspective, and you can easily attempt them if you go on and listen to the questions previously discussed by me. I hope these questions would help you gain a better perspective about this chapter, and any questions and any viewpoints would be welcomed in the comment section.